Nowadays, the news of water crisis is overwhelming. With global climate change, the issue is spreading. It's affecting people all over the world. Even though 71% of our blue planet's surface is covered by water, less than 3% is fresh water. To provide the fundamental element of our everyday life, the only long-term solution is seawater desalination. The most promising solution is reverse osmosis. This technology is based on a semi-permeable membrane where only pure water passes through, while all particles, microplastics, bacteria, viruses, and salt are filtered out. The membrane sheets are rolled and covered by pressure vessels. The pressure vessels are sealed and ready to be connected to the feed water. Today, existing centralized systems eject high emissions, while the produced water doesn't reach the water-scarce remote areas. But there is a better way. Grino produces water using only the essentials. Fortunately, most of the water-stressed areas also receive the most sunlight. Powering the system with solar energy keeps it independent from on-power grids and it stays renewable. With our innovative and smart power management, the system adapts completely automatically to the sunlight. While conventional systems need a constant amount of energy to start, Grino starts slowly with any low amount of energy and continues to its maximum operation as the sun rises. The replacement of the battery with Grino's VFG enables the system to work even in cloudy and rainy weather. The VFG unit minimizes the energy losses and maximizes the water production. Compared to other systems, Grino doesn't need any battery. This is the unique advantage of Grino. Not only nature is grateful for that, but also the lifetime of the system is improved and much more affordable for remote communities. Almost everyone can benefit from Grino. No matter which water resource you have, no matter where you live, no matter what kind of water you need, for drinking, agriculture, industry, or your hotel. Just tell us about your requirements. Grino designs the best water solution for your individual needs.